Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make Arrabbiata sauce. Cue the music. Alright, welcome back. I appreciate you being here. Whatever platform you are watching from, don't forget to like and subscribe. Like I said, we're going to be making Arrabbiata sauce. Roll my tongue one more time, I'm going to fall down. But like I said, we're going to be making Arrabbiata sauce. So let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We have got 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 onion, small dice, 3 garlic cloves minced, 2 teaspoons of red pepper flakes, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, little salt and pepper along the way to taste, 1 can of tomato sauce, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar, and then we're going to be using some fettuccine and topping it off with some Parmesan cheese. Let's head over to the stove and start cooking. Alright, we are ready. We are at the stove. We got our pan, we have our mise en place with our ingredients and also our utensils. So let me focus down on this pan and we'll start shooting. I'm going to get it on a medium heat. Put our olive oil in here. And when that is shimmering and hot, we'll go on to our next step. Throw an onion piece in there. Alright, it's starting to cook, so our oil is hot. I'm going to go ahead and throw all of our onions in that we diced up. A little salt and pepper. We just want to stir these into that oil, let these cook till they're translucent. Alright, our onions are where we want them to be, so I'm going to go ahead and add our fresh garlic to that, our oregano, red pepper flakes, and a little bit more salt and pepper, and we're going to cook all this down until it gets really fragrant. Yeah, this is really fragrant. So what I'm going to do now is we're going to add our 2 tablespoons of our tomato paste in there, and we're just going to stir this in, let it mix in with everything in there, and we're just really helping out to build this foundation by doing this. And I'm just very surprised that it doesn't say to deglaze the pan with wine or something. But I'm not going to argue with a recipe that's probably been around for centuries. So, but this looks good nonetheless. Build a nice foundation here. Just let this cook for a little bit, caramelize up that tomato sauce. A little bit more salt and pepper in there. Yeah, that's looking real good. Kind of hard to deglaze something in a non-stick pan, though. Alright, I'm going to hit it with the sugar. And then our tomato sauce. Turn the heat down so we don't have splatter everywhere. Oh, this smells incredible. Let this simmer for a little bit. This looks really good. You want to let it simmer for probably 10 minutes. Now I'm going to add our fettuccine to this. Enough for 2 meals. I'm going to put the lid on it, let that pasta get hot. Get our pasta mixed in. Still not really that hot, but I want to get it all blended in here to get some sauce on it. Alright, sauce is on the pasta. Now I'm just gonna let the pasta get hot. Alright, sauce is hot, pasta's getting there. We're gonna heat this all the way throughout, and then we're gonna plate it up. We're gonna take a ton of pictures of it for social media. Then we're gonna come back and taste it. So don't go away. Beautiful shots with some beautiful pasta there. I got a bite right here all ready to go. So let's see what this tastes like. Right there too. Well, Arrabbiata in Italian literally means angry. So the sauce has got some spice to it, got a lot of kick from that pepper and the garlic, and then of course building that nice foundation kind of helps develop those flavors as well. There's another bite. This is really good. Oh yeah. A lot of after the bite, while you're chewing it, the heat is there, it develops. It's not like it's right off the bat hot or that it's too hot to eat, but it's very spicy, very nice, very good flavor, peppery flavor. Another bite here and then I'm gonna close, I'm gonna put it down. I'm gonna eat this whole thing if I don't. I appreciate you being here. That recipe is down in the description box or the first pinned comment. Don't forget to head over to our spice shop. Check that out. We got a lot of good stuff going on over there. Take care of yourself. We'll see you again. Have a good day.
These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen.